this is Bridge6 and I'm here vlogging again. So I'm here with Well, we are here on the 12.
Hi.
So now I made my Lego fidget spinner.
Yeah.
This one is rotating. Then go get the soap. So it's not a normal fidget spinner because number one, it cannot spin. Also breaks. Cannot spin. See? And number two, normal fidget
Hi,
spinner
guys.
only has 3, not 4. So yeah, this is a short video showing you only the fidget spinner I made. Yeah, so thank you all of you guys for watching this video. See you all later.